I know how exhausting it is to wake up with that burning or tingling feeling in your legs or back. If you're tired of trying creams or pills that never seem to do anything, you're in the right place. Listen, a lot of people miss results with Nerve Calm simply because they don't know how to use it the right way. The truth is, Nerve Calm was designed to be taken daily so your body has consistent support. Most folks see the best results when they stay on it for at least 90 to 180 days. That's why the 3 and 6 bottle kits exist, because nerve discomfort usually builds over years, and your body needs time and the right nutrients to support repair. Now, before I go any further, I want you to stay safe online. There are fake websites out there. I've put the only official and safe link right below this video. If you're on your phone, just tap the title of this video and the description box will slide up. You'll see the blue link right there at the top. The formula behind Nerve Calm includes ingredients often associated with nerve support like Corydalis yanhusuo, California poppy seed, marshmallow root, opuntia, and Althea officinalis. Thousands of adults report better comfort and mobility over time, and the product is made in facilities that follow strict quality standards. And yes, there is a real medical review behind the formula design. Here's something important that gives peace of mind. Your order is protected with a 180-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it, take the recommended daily dosage, and if you don't feel it helped, you can request your money back. To keep it simple, the link is also in the first pinned comment, so you can choose the best kit for you and protect your money with secure checkout.